You've probably heard that putting premium fuel in your car makes it faster. So, if regular fuel is cheaper, why would anyone pay more for premium? Well, here's the thing. Premium fuel doesn't automatically make your car faster. And sometimes, you can spend more money and get absolutely nothing in return.
Bruh.
Let's start with what premium actually means. The number you see at the pump, like 87, 91, or 93, is the fuel's octane rating. And octane doesn't mean the fuel is more powerful. It means the fuel is more resistant to knocking, which is basically the fuel-air mixture exploding at the wrong time inside your engine. Think of your engine like this. The piston moves upward, compressing the air and fuel mixture. Then, the spark plug ignites it at exactly the right moment. But if the mixture ignites too early because of high pressure and temperature, you get knocking, and that can damage the engine. This is where premium fuel becomes useful. High-performance engines often run higher compression ratios or use more aggressive turbocharging. That creates more pressure inside the cylinder, which increases the chance of knocking. So these engines are designed to work with higher octane fuel. And here's where things get interesting. Imagine you have two cars. Car A is designed for regular fuel. Car B is a turbocharged performance car designed for premium. You put premium fuel in Car A. Most of the time, you're not suddenly getting extra horsepower. The engine was already designed to run properly on regular fuel. But in Car B, that extra octane can actually make a difference. Modern engines can detect knocking using sensors. If the computer detects a problem, it can reduce ignition timing or change other engine settings to protect the engine. With the proper high-octane fuel, the engine can safely run closer to the performance settings it was designed for. So, premium fuel can actually help a performance engine make more of its intended power. But there's an important catch. If your owner's manual says your car requires 91 or 93 octane, using regular fuel can reduce performance, and in some situations cause problems. If it says regular fuel is perfectly fine, switching to premium usually won't transform your family sedan into a sports car. And no, premium fuel doesn't mean your car will suddenly go 0 to 60 faster just because you filled up with it. Think of octane like this. It's not extra energy, it's extra resistance to unwanted combustion. So should you use premium fuel? The answer is simple. Check your owner's manual. If your car requires premium, use it. If it recommends premium for maximum performance, it can be worth it. But if your car is designed for regular fuel, paying extra for premium probably won't give you the performance upgrade you're imagining.